the doctor kind of knows everything about you, right? You end up telling your doctor so much, so it's quite obvious what happened here, that Napoleon entrusted this man, you know? And that's, again, it's testament to the relationship between the Irish and the French for all these years, and Napoleon creating the Irish Regiment, the Irish Legion, and, you know, they're part of the Napoleonic Wars. There's definitely a connection between the French and the Irish in this sense. The diary not only chronicles the medical care provided by O'Mara, but also captures the personal moments and conversations between the two men. The publication of this diary has contributed significantly to the understanding of Napoleon's life and final years and his relationship to those around him. So if I was to say to you that an Irish doctor has a part in maintaining the legacy and life of Napoleon Bonaparte, would you believe me? Oh yes.